Bro, wait, what? Bruh, goofy I died to a spider. Nah man, I'm out. This game. I'm not disappointing. Maybe because I found him 50 times. I freaking know that. Bruh, you can't even crucify Timothy. We know, idiot. Bruh, I'm about to change the text-to-speech if you don't stop talking. Okay, here I go.
A much better way, no, this is even more cringe. Wait, no, take me back. Wait, I can make a rap to secure my back. Alright, here goes nothing.
JK, you thought. Anyways, like and subscribe to Mayby. Be fortrude in my next video. There are no shoutouts for today's sad face sil.
Time for dinner.
But if you want a shoutout, okay mom, in my next video, make sure to like and subscribe. And be a public subscriber.